In this video, I'll show you how to get the Spectrum TV app on your Samsung Smart TV. So let's get started. First of all, what you need to do is to take your remote control, and even if it does not look like mine over here, you need to press on the home button, the one with a house, to make this menu appear. Sometimes your menu will take the whole page, depending on which Samsung TV you have. Then the next step is to press on the left side button here until you have apps highlighted. Press the middle button to select it. Now what's important to know is that this app is only available if you are in the US. If your TV is not in the US, you can actually change the region and country of your TV, and I have a video in my channel showing you exactly how to do so. This way, no matter where you are on this planet, you can have access to this app. Next step, once you're over here, is to go on the top right corner where you see a magnifying glass. Press the middle button to select it, and now we have to type in this search bar Spectrum. Usually just after typing 2 letters, you should have as a first option over here Spectrum TV. So you can go ahead, navigate up there, highlight the app and press the middle button once. And now all it's left to do is to press on the install button and the app will be installed on your TV. Okay, so it just took a few seconds. Depending on your internet speed, could take a minute. And on the top right corner over here, you're gonna have the choice to open or here close. I suggest you do not open the app at this point. What you need to do is to select add to home here in this menu and press the middle button, because the app is installed on your TV, but it's not added with your other apps over there on the home screen. So now we can position with the left side arrow and right side arrow the app to the position we want with the other ones we already have. Let's say I want it here, press the middle button to confirm, and now we can finally open the Spectrum TV app by pressing the middle button. So once the app is loaded, they will ask you to type your username and then press continue, your password, and you'll be done. You'll have access to the app. If you need any help signing in or create an account or anything, just go over here where it says help signing in. And you'll need to go on the website listed over here. So this is it. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.